How to log in to Uber account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you guys can log in into your Uber account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Uber app. You can download it from your App Store or Play Store. And after you download it, you'll see this section where you can simply continue with your Google account or your phone number. So you can get started with that, or you can find your account. After you tap on find your account, you might have to give it some of your information such as your phone number or email address, and it will show up like this. Then tap on yes, it's me, and they will have sent you an email to your Gmail. So you can open that up. So head over to your Gmail and there you'll find the code. You can copy the code like this. And after you copy the code, you can then head back. Let me just go here again and then copy the code. This is the one for right now. Then paste it right here. After you paste it, you will be logged in into your account, and it's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.